friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about ZOTAC GeForce RTX 4070 series graphics card. So friends, ZOTAC has announced the latest addition to its next generation graphics card lineup built to the powerful NVIDIA Ada Lovelace architecture, and the GeForce RTX 4070 GPU includes all the advancement of the NVIDIA Ada Lovelace architecture, including the new standard in gaming such as DLSS 3 neural rendering and real-time ray tracing technology starting at $599 and runs most modern games at over 100 frames per second at 1440p resolution. And this series carries over the aerodynamic-inspired design. Many key innovations introduced in previous 40 series card, which improves gaming performance, airflow, cooling performance, noise mitigation and durability. It features 12 GB GDDR6X ultra-fast memory and will comes in 3 models: AMP, AIRO, Trinity and Twin Edge OC. So friend, the AIRO leads the performance spec, which uses the flagship AIRO optimized aesthetic into a slim 2.5 slot design, and with its advanced high-storm 2.0 cooling, dual-zone Spectre 2.0 ARGB lighting and strong factory overclock, the 4070 AMP AIRO is the series go-to graphics card for high performance and using the cooling technology derived from the flagship model. It encompasses the trio of powerful cooling fans and large heatsink that covers card's footprint and beyond, and noise-reducing enhancement, durability and reinforcement addressable RGB elements. The result is a trifecta of power, performance, cooling that packs the serious punch. And friend, the Twin Edge OC measuring in at only 2.2 slot wide. The Twin Edge OC is a powerful graphics card in purposefully designed compact footprint, enabling powerful high-performance SFF PC builds. And friend, the ZOTAC Gaming GeForce RTX 4070 series utilize iStorm 2.0, our advanced cooling solution designed to own the latest GPUs, featuring a card-length heatsink and open ventilation where cooling is optimized for peak graphic performance. And the Spectre 2.0 lighting system found on 3 fan models enables vibrant color lighting with unique animated effects powered by addressable RGB LEDs. And the AMP AIRO in particular is enhanced by incident and translucent coating that allows lightning pads and underneath to shine through. And friend, the new ZOTAC Gaming finds from utility for a 40 series features an entirely redesigned interface that transports GPU fine-tuning into a more intuitive task, and new software comes with a host of options that include clock speed, GPU memory frequency, voltage, fan speed, fan curve setting, and Spectre RGB effects. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.